Alright, so we got the Perrin turbo inlet kit. Got it in red because the car's red. Everything it comes with, which we'll install a different day. Right now we're just going to install the other thing we got from Perrin, which is the Perrin steering lockout for the steering shaft that clamps into the coupler. Probably won't video the install because you won't see much, because where it's installed, the installation is kind of easy and it's really simple. Pretty much put these two aluminum plates along the U-joint part of the steering shaft, Loctite your bolt and thread them in. And tight is tight, too tight's broken. Came with the Perrin, came with that, but probably won't put that on. But then we'll see how it drives. So, I don't know if you can see it. We'll go from underneath. Alright, so it's right there. Hopefully you can pick it up on the camera. Installed. Took about 15 minutes, but it's easier to go up from underneath. You got this hole right in between the exhaust and the trans, and then the hole right there in the wheel well, and you pretty much put both arms. You gotta loosen the steering shaft from the steering wheel and the power steering pump, and then it's as simple as sliding that in, using the long bolt to pull them into place. Once you tighten that one all the way down, pull it back out, put Loctite on the shorter bolt, put the shorter bolt in, and tighten it down. It's like 17.5 foot-pounds. And then retighten your two 12mm bolts on the steering shaft and the power steering pump. And like 15 to 30 minutes. Pretty simple. Did it in my driveway, so we're gonna go take it for a test drive. Alright, so I just installed the Perrin steering lockout that goes on your steering shaft. It's so direct, it's not even funny. Worth the 70 to 100 bucks, depending on if you get it on sale or not. I think it's like 70 bucks I paid for it, but the steering is very direct. It gets rid of that floating feeling. I want to go test it out at high speeds, but I don't got a lot of time, so, and it's getting dark. Steering wheel isn't floaty anymore. It's like you point it and it goes. It's not. Before it was like slightly. It wasn't darting, but it was drifting. If that makes any sense. Wait a second, see if I can get. Good run up. just be accelerating, and the car would wander. Anything like 85 plus. But you could start to feel it at like 45 and above. It would just veer slightly. But 85 plus, it would like start to get to that point where it's not veering, it's more darting. So that steering lockout helps a lot. And then tomorrow, hopefully I have time and the weather's nice, I'm gonna install the turbo inlet. I'll probably put that in the same video. Actually, I might make two different ones, just short one and a long one. I won't be doing install videos anymore. I don't have a garage or lighting or anything. But see you when I'm doing that.